everyone. First of all, let's give a shout out to our organizers, teachers, Mr. Richard Bonwell Pingo from Teacher 2, George Alvarez, Master Teacher 2, Nirva Equizabal, Master Teacher 2, Dr. Melinda Miguel, Master Teacher 2, Regine Mergado, Master Teacher 2, and Mary Jean Manuzon, Master Teacher 2, and Julie Jane Kanilan, Master Teacher 2, to the coaches, to our principal, Mr. Charles Marcos, to my fellow students, to our barangay officials, and most of all, you, the students. Because without your energy and spirit, these intramurals wouldn't come alive. Today, as we open this year's day, we carry a powerful theme. Strengthening grassroots sports through one spirit, one goal, uniting hearts, building champions. And that's what it is all about. Not just medals, not just trophies, but building unity, discipline, and champions in life. I want to share this activity done and the lesson I once heard from a speaker long ago. It's not the same story, but the lesson is the same. I may have forgotten her name, but I never forgot the message. It left a deep impact on me and continues to inspire me today. And I believe it can inspire you as well. Mga anak, may pamimigay po kami ni Big Daddy sa inyo. Sino may gusto? Madami akong naririnig na may gusto. Kaso, walang nag-a-act. Tanong ko ulit, sino po may gusto? Anong gagawin pag may sino may gusto? Ayan. Sino na una? Ano po na daw siya? Don't worry, meron pa naman po ako. So, I want to share a story. There was once a young girl who dreamed for playing a volleyball, but she realized alone wouldn't rather make her on the team. During her first tryout, she wasn't chosen. She was too shy and her skill weren't enough. Many would have quit, but she didn't. Instead, she practiced every single day, serving against the wall, improving her footwork, and training even without a coach. Months later, when another tryout came, she didn't get strong. She showed how much she had grown. She wasn't a star player, but she became the heart of the team, inspiring others through effort, discipline, and spirit. And that is the lesson. If you want something, you can't just wish for it. You have to act. Dreams only become real when you put in the effort, the discipline, and the heart to chase them. Mga anak, nakinig po ba kayo sa story kanina? Okay. Ngayon, sino po may gusto? Akala ko ba narinig mo yung lesson, yung story kanina? Sino po may gusto? Madami akong naririnig pero walang nag-a-act. Sino may gusto? Ayan. Diba sabi natin sa story? O di po ba, sabi sa story natin, kapag may dream po tayo, you have to act. Hindi yung gusto ko yun, pero wala po tayong ginagawa. We have to act. So, meron pa isa. Uulitin natin. Sino may gusto? Ayan. My story is also what grassroots sport is about. It's not about being the best right for him. It's about giving your best, supporting each other, and building champions step by step. It's about one spirit, one goal, uniting hearts, and growing stronger together. To the athletes in these intramurals, I encourage you to remember
Matakbuhan ka din na Sercha. Sercha, bukan tinasta ko mo ano, dadyanin mo, dapat na matakbuhan na Sercha ka.
To the athletes in these intramurals, I encourage you to remember three things. One, a champion is not measured by medals or trophies. It is measured by the courage to rise every time you fall. Two, unite your hearts. Honor your school. Support your teammates and respect your opponents. Remember, your opponents are not your enemies. They are partners